Today, let's talk about, oh no, I don't have time for a video today. I've got to get to therapy. Do you want to come with? So this is my place of therapy. I come out here to pick the vegetables, to feed myself, to give myself an income. I come here to weed and to sit on the ground and earth, ground myself, to pull the weeds, to get my hands dirty, to feel the soil, the bugs, life, animals, to feel the sensation, to think, to have time to think, to listen to the birds, see the bugs, and just be. The garden is a great place for relaxation and for just feeling all the senses of the water from the dew, the material, the plant life, to surround yourself in the green, to feel the heat of the sun, and sometimes the shade, the cool breeze. It is a glorious place to be, even in the rain. Lots of work to be done every day, and that's okay. Enjoy your therapy. Get out and fill your senses with something different. Get off that social media. Feel the earth between your fingers. Feel the wind blow. Feel that joy of removing an unwanted piece. Watch all your hard work come to fruition. Share your space with the creatures of the wild. Pick a berry or two. So good. And the very best part, it's all free, for the most part. Don't forget to have plants for the butterflies. And discover things you may not have found. Enjoy the berries of life. Purple, red, black, or blue. Elderberry for the winter. Just begun. A little wild growing cilantro. You can find the good and the bad. You make the changes and flow through all the challenges of your life and grow. You can become your very best with a little garden therapy. You will find life, and you may experience some death. Don't let the weeds overtake you. Like the great hops, grow big, strong, and mighty. Become your pea in the pod. Add some spice to your life with some horseradish. If it gets too big, cut it down and let it begin to grow. You are no different than the plants. You have a chance to grow as they do. Don't let the thorns in life take away your happiness. Find the good.